What should I do if I didn't receive a verification code from WhatsApp to my email?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this video, we will be discussing what you should do if you didn't receive a verification code from WhatsApp to your email. This can be a frustrating situation, but don't worry, we're here to help you out.
Check your spam or junk folder.
The first thing you should do is check your spam or junk folder in your email account. Sometimes, legitimate emails can get filtered into these folders by mistake. Look for an email from WhatsApp and make sure to mark it as not spam or not junk if you find it there.
Wait for a bit.
If you haven't received the verification code immediately, it's possible that there might be a slight delay. In some cases, it can take a few minutes for the email to arrive. I recommend waiting for about 10 to 15 minutes to see if the email shows up. Sometimes, there can be temporary delays in the delivery of emails.
Check if the email address is correct.
Double-check to ensure that you have provided the correct email address during the WhatsApp registration process. Typos or misspellings in the email address can prevent you from receiving the verification code. Verify that the email address associated with your WhatsApp account is accurate.
Resend the verification email.
If you have waited for a reasonable amount of time and still haven't received the verification code, you can try resending the verification email from WhatsApp. To do this, open WhatsApp on your device and go to the verification screen. Look for the option to resend the email and select it. This will prompt WhatsApp to send another verification email to the registered email address.
Check email filtering rules.
Sometimes, certain email filtering rules or settings can cause emails from WhatsApp to be blocked or redirected to a different folder. Check your email account settings for any rules that may be affecting the delivery of emails. Disable any rules that could be interfering with the receipt of the verification email.
Contact WhatsApp support.
If you have followed all the previous steps and still haven't received the verification code, it may be necessary to reach out to WhatsApp support for further assistance. They have the expertise to investigate the issue and provide you with guidance specific to your situation. You can usually find the contact information for WhatsApp support on their official website. That brings us to the end of this video on what to do if you didn't receive a verification code from WhatsApp to your email. Remember to check your spam or junk folder, wait for a bit, verify the correctness of your email address, resend the verification email, review email filtering rules, and contact WhatsApp support if necessary. I hope this video has been helpful, and I wish you success in resolving the issue with your verification code. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.